What am I even doing? Okay. Namaste, how are you guys? And yep, I'm wearing this t-shirt so that you guys don't get confused about what to comment in the comment section below. So like, yeah, just helping you guys out. You're welcome. Anyway, so in this video, I'm gonna share my current obsessions, basically my current favorite, but I'm gonna name it obsession because I'm cool like that. No, not really. Anyway, so I have a lot of skincare stuff, food stuff, games, books and everything else. So yeah, I'm super excited to share everything that I'm obsessed with you guys, so we can like relate, or maybe you can even get obsessed just like me with things that I am obsessed with. Never mind, enough of talking now. Without further ado, let's get started with this video. I think I've washed my hands more in the last 6 months compared to the last 6 years. Just saying. Anyway, because I am washing my hands a lot and using sanitizers and everything, my hands got really dry in the middle, although they are like kind of getting back to normal. So I started using the Nivea hand cream and I do like it. I do have a couple of hand creams at my house, but this is the one that I use the most because it's not sticky. It has glycerin and aloe vera, so it's perfect for dry skin. I'm someone who has dry skin. It says it provides a 24-hour moisturization, which I'm not sure because I do wash my hands like at least twice or thrice in a day. So yeah, I basically apply this at night in my hands before sleeping. It's kind of like just helping me to restore the natural softness of my hands because right now it's like hard as rock. The next thing that I'm obsessed with is the Wow apple cider foaming face wash. Now I got this a couple of months back and I have been using it since then. The only thing that I get worried about after using a new face wash is that it will dry up my skin, which most face wash do. Like, you know, you feel like your skin is like, I don't know how to explain that feeling, but it's basically like desert on your skin and I don't like that at all. So that's why I don't try out a lot of face wash and everything, but this one worked out really well for me. It has no parabens, sulfate, silicone, no color. It comes with this silicone brush. Although I don't use brush regularly, I'll use it like twice or thrice a week. Otherwise, I'll just take it in my hand and rub it and apply it on my face. So it deep cleanses the skin and helps purify pores and controls blackheads, which I totally agree with. My blackheads are like almost gone. It's been a while since I had blackheads, so that's a good news. And the blackheads also are gone because I used something else, which you guys will know about it soon. But yeah, this is a good face wash. If you're looking to change your face wash, I would recommend you guys to give this a try. The next thing that I'm currently obsessed with is something that I have already spoken in my previous video. So I'm not going to talk about it more. Of course, it was sponsored then, but I'm not sponsored to say it right now. But I am obsessed with the L'Oreal Extraordinary Serum. That's basically like oil and it helped so much with my frizzy hair. So I just applied on my dry hair and then just leave it on. You guys will have to watch the video to know more about this, so the link will be in the description. You're welcome. And one major reason why I love this is because of its smell. It smells so good. It makes your hair smell so good. Like, you know, you can't apply perfume to your hair because obviously it has alcohol and it will dry out your hair, but this just works like perfume for your hair. So yeah, that is one major reason why I use this. It's absolutely amazing. So yeah, don't forget to watch the video and give it a try if you can. Moving over to the food now, I have been obsessed with a biscuit that I have literally spoken about 10,000 times. So I'm not gonna mention that in this video, but if you are a true Dhwani con, you will know what that biscuit is. So comment down below and let others know. Anyway, moving on, the next thing that I'm currently obsessed with is this roasted soya nuts. Now, I found this online on Amazon. The link will be in the description. You're welcome. So I got this in like 5 different flavors and I finished the roasted one in like 3-4 days. Like me and my mom were eating it a lot. Soya is obviously very good for your mind and your body, so I think it's a healthy snack. Moving on, the next thing that I am obsessed with is this coffee. I know I should not be maybe promoting coffee here, but whenever I have like shoot days or something, I just depend on coffee now for that high energy to like keep me going. Otherwise, because of lockdown and everything, energy levels are pretty low now. So a very bad thing to do. I know, very unhealthy thing to do, but this coffee is really nice. It's by Ryoba. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. So it's an instant coffee with chicory, and I have finished like more than half of this. Got it from a local store, but I'm pretty sure you can find this online or even in a local store near you. Next thing I really liked is the Maggi Capsica. Again, I don't have it with me right now, but here's the picture. I did speak about this in my vlog as well when I tried it for the first time, that it reminded me of the 5-pepper pizza from Domino's. I would suggest you guys to give this a try if you can, if you are a Maggi lover. Obviously the original flavor is the best and nothing can beat that, but this wasn't bad either. Moving on, another thing that I'm obsessed with is almost over. This is the Baggeries Fruit and Fiber Muesli. No kidding, no joke, it's over. I try to have this in the morning with milk and it's really filling. I'm not someone who like has heavy breakfast, but this does the job for me, and I have been obsessed with it in the lockdown. So clearly it's one of my favorite now. Moving over to my current favorite book. I read it already and it's the Ikigai. To be honest, I got this because of its cute packaging, but the book is amazing. So it basically talks about how Japanese people have a long life, how do they live, and yeah, it's the secret to the happy life. It talks a lot about finding your purpose and doing what you love, and also living a healthy life by exercising, dieting and everything. Kind of affected me a little, so I did start working out. I believe we especially like people who live in cities and all, live a very unhealthy lifestyle, and this just talks about how you can change that and how you can live longer. Although I don't wish to live longer, but I just wish to live a happy life. So if eating right and exercising will get me happy, yeah, it does. I don't know how, but yeah. And now I gave it to my dad, so he's reading it. Basically, everyone can read this, so do give it a try. Next thing I'll talk about is the series that I'm kind of obsessed with right now, and I've been watching it a lot. I did saw a couple of episodes in the past, but I never binged watched everything. So I am watching Young Sheldon, which is on Amazon Prime, and it's really a nice thing, like a very light heart comedy, and that is something that I want to watch. I don't want to watch like something super dark and intense and thriller, or I don't really like romantic, but I am thinking of watching K-dramas. So comment down below and suggest me some K-dramas that I can start with. Like, yeah. Speaking of that, I think I'm gonna talk about my next thing, that is music. I am currently obsessed with Blackpink. So it didn't start like overnight, but so it started with, what was that song? I forgot again. Man, मैं नाम क्यों भूल जाती हूँ यार. Okay, so it was Kill This Love, and that was the only song that I liked. I think that was the first K-pop song that I ever liked. And after that, I heard Do 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 Do. Then I heard How You Like That, and that is when I realized, okay, this is something that I'm gonna like. Like Blackpink is something that I'm gonna like. Then I came to know that they are releasing a song with my a childhood favorite, Selena, and I have like grown up watching her, so she's obviously my all-time favorite. So I was super excited about this song, and when it came out, yup, I did get obsessed with it. So the song is called Ice Cream. I would request you guys to just listen to it because I cannot play it right now, copyright issues, but I also did a reel on it recently, and yeah, that song just makes me happy, so do check it out. Also, I'm not gonna call myself a Blink just yet because I just started it, so maybe a beginner something. I still don't know the names of the members, so yeah. It's very new. I'm still a fetus, but hopefully I can join Blink soon, maybe. Going over to the app that I am obsessed with, especially during lockdown. So if you follow me on Instagram, you might know that I love coloring. But at times I'm too lazy to color in a book. So there's this app called Happy Color, which is basically like digital coloring book. And like you can see here, they have a lot of different prints that you can color, from mandalas to like places, people, food. So yeah, I am kind of obsessed. One of the reasons why I really like using that app is because it helps to keep your mind busy, and also it helps with like mental peace kind of, because obviously coloring is something that I love, so why not? Last thing I'm gonna mention is another app which is basically a game. It's called Among Us, and I recently started playing it with my friends after PUBG got banned. This is basically like Mafia. There are like 10 people, or you can select the number of people that you want, and then there are like imposters there who will kill the members, and you have to find that imposter, and it's kind of fun to play with friends, and it's an online game, so you don't even need your friends sitting right there next to you. So it's a nice fun game that you can play with your friends. So yeah, that was basically everything that I am obsessed with. If I forget something, because I made the script today itself, so I'm like, am I forgetting something? Not, I don't know, but just in case if I am, obviously I'll let you guys know about that in my vlogs. So don't forget to watch my vlogs for daily updates, and that's basically it. Don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up if you guys would like to see more such current obsessions in the future, and comment down below and let me know your current favorite obsession. Obviously we're gonna share our obsessions, right? So comment down below and let me know, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video now, which will be real soon. So bye.